always think of you when spring comes, like it's something in the air at that time. Don't know why, always dream of you when spring comes. It's like the heat on my skin takes me back to the time met you on a Friday, halfway out at the door of the club, playing soul on the weekends, stayed in bed till Wednesday.
Hey guys, welcome back, or welcome if you're new here for 2022's Spring Clean and Decorate. I am so excited for this one, y'all, and I know I say this every season, and I said this in my Valentine's Day video too, but I truly feel like I now love decorating for Easter and spring just as much as Christmas, because wow, just wow, you guys, I cannot wait for you guys to see how everything turned out. But of course, first, we're starting off in the kitchen, cleaning up the small mess from this morning's breakfast so we can start with a clean and blank slate. And while we're doing that, I just quickly want to mention that today's video is a collab with my amazing mama friend here on YouTube, aka Brooke Ann. She is also releasing her Spring Clean and Decorate today, and I just know it's going to be good because she never disappoints, honestly, you guys. She has such an eye for decor, so I know you guys will love her and her video. So make sure you stop by over to her video after watching this one and show her some love and let her know that I sent you. If you're here from Brooke's video, welcome. My name is Josie, and I am a wife and stay-at-home mom to a 1-year-old baby girl, and I do all things home decor, homemaking, and cleaning. So if you enjoyed today's video, I would love for you to click that red subscribe button and join the family. But alrighty, y'all, we're just gonna finish cleaning up in here, wipe everything down, and I'll catch up with you guys when all the fun begins. Alright, you guys, so I did split this clean and decorate into two. So today we're doing the dining room, the kitchen, and a tier tray, and that's everything I had to work with. The first thing I'm gonna do is add to my little riser. I got this riser from Target Dollar Spot a while back, and I just put my oils on it, and I'm adding this butter dish that's in the shape of a bunny that I got from Marshall's. Now for this area, and I did share this on Instagram, but that's another riser from the Target Dollar Spot, and then a little mini cutting board that I had from Target that was like $7 because I didn't want to spend money on cutting boards. But I went to Hobby Lobby and they had their cutting boards for spring 50% off, and I got that one for $7, and I also got another one that I'll be showing you guys later. So I decided to finally get one that fits the space. And then this cute wooden piece with a little marble bunny is from Marshall's as well. And then I'm just adding the clear bud vases that I also got from the Target Dollar Spot. Target Dollar Spot is where it's at, y'all. And then I added some yellow and white flowers to the bud vase, and you guys will notice that for spring I really wanted to do wood tones and whites and ceramic bunnies and stuff like that, and then adding in pops of yellow. That is my accent color. You guys know I always pick one color. So now, to fit kind of the yellow tones that I wanted in my kitchen, I'm going to be filling my cookie jar, but I didn't want to put cookies in it. I wanted to put lemon bars in it because when I think of spring and summer, I think of lemon bars, and these are delicious, by the way. These are so good. So I'm just making it here. And it's super easy. It's just you press the crust into the pan, and then you bake that for a few minutes, and then you add the filling in, bake that, and then stick it in the fridge for an hour or so, and they are delicious. And I thought that they look super cute in the kitchen.
Try to express yourself in your own way, and we could have some fun. No problems coming in our way. Keep on doing what you do, doing what you do. Just keep on.
After they're done, I just sprinkled them with some confectioner sugar to give it a little more of a fancier look, and then I cut them up, of course. And then again, I wanted some height. I used this in my Valentine's Day decorate with me, but I added this riser from the Target dollar spot. Again, the Target dollar spot always comes through for me. And then my cookie jar that I already had, I just put the lemon bars in. Now I try to do my cookie jar hack where I put the cup in the middle and then it makes it look more full, but I didn't have enough of these, so I ended up not doing that and just laying them flat, and it didn't fill the whole cookie jar, but it still looks super cute, and I can always make more. I just only had one box at the time.
We shouldn't care about anyone who brings us down. Doing what you do, doing what you do. Just keep on doing what you do, 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 doing what you like.
So this is the second cutting board that I got from Hobby Lobby, again for like $7 and change with their sale, and I'm just adding my canisters from Target onto it, and I think it looks super cute to add more wooden tones into the kitchen. Again, if you guys need any cutting boards, definitely head over to Hobby Lobby because they have a whole section for spring on just cutting boards and wooden spoons and rolling pins and all that cute stuff. So definitely head over there if you need that. This little jar with the ceramic bunny on top is also from Hobby Lobby, and I'm just filling it with some robin eggs. I love these, and I'm only putting the yellow and white ones in. And I did try my hack again here, but it was just not working on this day, guys. I didn't have enough of the yellow and white ones to fill it in, so I just took it out and I just filled in what I had, and it wasn't full, but it still looks super cute. And again, I need to go grab more when I head back to Target.
Only you could set me free. I didn't think that I could ever get enough. You know it can be frustrating.
Now for the window above the sink, I always add a little something here, and again I'm adding the little bud vases that I got in a 3-pack from the Target dollar spot. I use them all over the house, just as I did for Valentine's Day, the pink tinted ones. And then I'm adding these little sunflowers, again going with the yellow theme, and I got these flowers and the ones that I put in the other bud vase from Hobby Lobby. And then I got my bouquets that you'll see later on from Amazon. Everything will be linked below. But now I'm going to go ahead and do this kind of naked cake, the same thing I did for Valentine's Day, just to fill up the cake stand. And I just used some spice mix, and I didn't record me making it because it's just a box cake. And then I got the spring funfetti yellow frosting from Target, and I told you guys this in my Valentine's Day video, but I always add confectioner sugar to whenever I buy store-bought frosting, because it's too runny to pipe, and then I keep it in the fridge. But here again, I did the same mistake. I left it in the fridge. I actually put it in the freezer for too long, and then it was too hard to work with, so it shouldn't be this hard. I had to like twist it, but whatever, it still came out cute. But just don't leave it in the fridge or freezer for that long. You want it to get a little more sturdy, but not like rock hard like mine was.
Hold you, hold you, hold. I still wanna hold you, hold you, hold.
Next to the cake stand, I'm just adding this sign that I got from Homegoods that says, if you feed them, they will come. And then I also added this like plaid bunny next to it. And I also took off those two little things at the top of the sign. It's because it had 2 hooks and then something to hang it, and I was like fussing with it, but I ended up unscrewing it and taking them out. And then I added this bunny there because I wanted people to get that it was talking about bunnies, because some people would just read that and not get it, you know. At least I didn't at first. And then these super cute kitchen towels, I love these because they're so neutral, and if you can see the little ribbons on around the bunny's neck is actually yellow, so it went perfect with my kitchen and the whole color scheme that I was going with. And then it also has like a gray plaid design, which also goes with kind of the theme. As you can see, the bunny that I added next to the cake stand was also plaid. So again, I was going for very neutral with pops of yellow, and I'm just in love with the way it turned out.
I'm thinking about us before we got lost and we parted.
Then for the center of the island, I'm just using the same tray that I always use for every season. This vase is actually from the bouquet that my husband got me for Valentine's Day of roses, and I just reused it because I was like, why buy another vase when I can just use this one? And I went ahead and added these daisies that I got from Amazon because I could not find daisies in store anywhere, nowhere in Hobby Lobby. So I really wanted daisies. I really wanted white and yellow daisies to go in the center of the island, and I did fold them up, but I'm gonna end up cutting them because I do not like the way it looks, because usually I have like a white base and you can't see the inside, but here you could see it. But anyways, that bunny is from the Target dollar spot, and this little Easter sign is from Hobby Lobby.
I know you got me, it's so effortless. Back to back we would carry on and we'd do anything for what we started. But this time we could break. Safe and sound. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good?
Alright, you guys, now we're going into my favorite part of the whole Easter and spring decorating, because this is my first time decorating a tier tray. I never owned one before, but this one was on sale at Hobby Lobby for $15, so I went ahead and took advantage of that. And let me just put it this way, basically everything on here is from the Target dollar spot or Target. The only thing that's not from the Target dollar spot is the greenery, like this pot, that's from Homegoods, and then also the flowers that I'm adding later on are from Hobby Lobby, and that kitchen towel is from Hearth and Hand, not from the Target dollar spot, but it was $5.99. Everything else is from the Target dollar spot, and it was either in a 3-pack or 2-pack, or it just came solo. So everything on here was super inexpensive, and I just love the way it turned out. So definitely let me know how I did for the first time decorating a tier tray.
I don't really care if you are mine. I don't need another sign. I'm wearing you down to the ground.
This mini cutting board is also from Hobby Lobby. I forgot to mention that. But yeah, I got it with the other cutting boards in the same aisle that I told you guys had all the wooden stuff.
Which way to turn? You're always one step behind. Going down this road again. I don't wanna explain myself. You grasp for every crumb of hope, although you've reached the end of my road. The glimpse that you think you see ain't nothing that I'll ever be.
Alright you guys, now to finish off the dining room, I'm just adding this ceramic textured vase that I got from Hearth and Hand a while back. I love this. I'll try to link it down below if I can find it. And then I added another bouquet of flowers that I got from Amazon, but these are sunflowers. Only thing I will say about both the sunflower bouquet and the daisy bouquet that I got from Amazon is when you first receive them, they kind of come a little bit closed, almost as if the flowers hadn't bloomed yet. So what I did was take my blow dryer and just heated them up a bit and used it to open them up so they look more full and more real, and that worked like a charm. So if you do end up ordering these, definitely do the same thing because they are going to come a bit closed. But anyways guys, now I'm just going to be showing you guys some end shots. Please let me know how you like everything, how you thought everything turned out, and definitely if you're not already, hit that red subscribe button because part 2 will be coming soon. Anyways, I love you guys. Bye.